I put the hat.
Okay.
And then I climb up there and hide behind here.
Climb up and hide behind.
I try to catch a bird with my hat.
And you're going to catch a
That's how I
bird.
catch the bird.
Okay, you go do it. We're watching.
Okay.
Okay, go for it. We put the hat down, and the birds will think there's French fries in it. And then he will hide. And then when the birds get in his hat, he will catch the birds. And when he catches a bird, I'm going to hold it so we can take it home. Unless the motorcycle scares it away. We're not sure if that might have scared him away.
I want to go get some more French fries.
Why, you don't think they can pretend there's French fries anymore?
I can't. That won't work.
It doesn't work?